When you were 36 and I was 28, she remarked, I gazed at you like the stars, the lovely lights in the heavens. Additionally, our fathers used to make fun of the two of us as we grew up and fell in love. Our mothers grinned, rolled their eyes and exclaimed, oh my, ngo ka ilang biyan yan na siya kahingaw deng haling ka. Become ba become, yapanian na bad din show yan ha. Yung judo ba pile kung tapagin mau yang na yakapul bang isa tang shit nai. Na kring if he bando yan ha. The bad feel a bit da ba pi piu xiang man lei kum ta tang ma pi bad ma. I know she. At 28, I was no longer the young boy you used to see, but your eyes continued to sparkle like lovely lights. And our fathers used to make jokes about us, never thinking we would truly fall in love. Our mothers, on the other hand, grinned and rolled their ass in. Oh my, ilang biyayin nga siya kiruruwa bang ikindo. Arba chichanit bang show me flang dati batang napapapingdo na singajong na ay nga ben siya pagpur pag-iapin aning kungit kating kanging kabaga jaka bando pinga Pishong siya ba hatu kajing shy ka-step. Gonna come around. We were sitting at a favorite place, and you looked at me and you smiled happy. I remind me of the moment we walked down the aisle when our entire town arrived. On the other side, we said I do and I agree. Bring me back to the front porch where we first met so many years ago, where we will rock out, baby. It's been a while since you and I. You'll be 37. I'll still look at you like the stars that shine in the sky